If you would like to add audio in Seesaw for movable pieces, this is the way to do it. So what you do, these are movable pieces right here, okay? So what you can do is click on the movable piece, you right click it, or you can just click on the bubbles. I like to right click it because it's a lot easier. Click on voice, and you can record your own voice or you can upload audio. I have audio that I want to use. So like letter sounds, and that's C sound. Whoops, that was A sound. So go back to voice and you can delete it here. So if you put a sound like I just did that you don't want, you can go and delete it and then upload a sound again. So we have A sound short. Okay, and then what students will do, and then also, before I say that, let's go ahead and lock it. Okay, now this is a feature that Seesaw just added recently. Now you can lock movable pieces and you can lock the size now. Before they didn't let you do the size, it would just be lock all. And when you did that, they couldn't move it anymore. So it was pointless. And so what was happening was a lot of students, they'd go to move it and they'd do that by accident, okay? Now Seesaw did release where you can lock size. And this is nice because it locks the size, but it also locks it so that the audio, they can't click on that part anymore to change, okay? So here we have that. So now it's a movable piece and the audio is always going to be to the left of it here. So when they move it up, it's right there and they can click on it and they can hear ah, okay? So let's go over the process again. So I just right click on it, click voice, go to upload audio, or you can record your own voice. See right now it's recording my voice. Let's see, oh, and so you click on that right there. I don't know if you could hear that, but yeah, that was what I was just saying. So go to voice, go to delete. I'm going to upload. I'll go to T sound. Okay, good. So now I'm going to lock the size. Now, if I was doing this for the activity for the students, obviously I wouldn't put it up there. I'd leave it down here. And so for this one, I would go to voice, upload audio. That's C sound. Then I lock it, lock the size. All right. So that is how you add audio to movable pieces in Seesaw.